What we have here today is a 7-inch Fitzgerald Manufacturing Company Star-Rite table fan. This one here dates to the mid to late 20s. It is a single speed plug and play fan, stationary only. Pretty basic for its time. Here's the badge on the front. As you can see, the fan is nickel plated, which unfortunately has seen better days, but it still looks fairly decent for its age. The blade is one-piece stamped steel, which has these dimples stamped into the blade to make it look like it has a riveted spider hub to it, which I find pretty unique. There would have been some more information stamped onto the base right in here. You can barely make out something right there. Made in USA probably. Something like that, but all the other information is pretty much rusted away, pitted away. You probably noticed that the cord is a modern replacement that was done with the previous owner of this fan. Or one of the previous owners, at least. Picked this fan up from an antique store down in North Carolina. It was a pretty good price, especially since I didn't have any nickel-plated fans in my collection until this one. I said, what the heck. The motor on this fan is a brushed universal motor, which means you can run it either on AC current or DC current. Motor's rated for 110, or actually 105 to 115 volts. Draws 0.25 amps at 105 volts. Our voltage here is 117.8, which is not going to hurt it at all. So let's go ahead and see what this little dude does. Plug it in. Runs pretty well for its age, fairly quiet. It definitely has that characteristic brushed motor sound to it. But runs pretty smooth. This fan, the bearings were bone dry when I got this thing. It definitely needed oil. That helped out tremendously on this one. But yeah, it runs pretty smooth. At 117.6 volts, we're drawing only 0.18 amps. So, definitely running within spec. So yeah, pretty nice little fan despite its physical condition. Pretty good runner. The blade is slightly out of balance. Tried to balance it as best I could. It's not perfect, but definitely far better than what it was. Alright, we'll let it coast. Pretty good spin down for a brushed motor. And there you go, folks. There was the 7-inch Fitzgerald Star-Rite table fan from the mid to late 1920s. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Stay cool. Take care. Peace.